My name is Michael Zimmer, and I hold the number one sales position for our company that is launching in January of 2022. Because of the work we accomplished over the last 30 days pre-launching this company, you are truly fortunate to be among a select few people who can join us at the top. In a few seconds, I will share why. Over the last 30 years, I've been blessed to hold top positions in a number of companies and have been on top of teams twice that had over $1 million a year in sales. This allowed me to do a lot of traveling and advance to my current position of master distributor. More importantly, I've built systems that have helped people like you experience a financial increase in their life. Let me get back to why this could be life-changing for you as well. My company is Innovative Healthcare, and we have pioneered connecting a global healthcare service and direct sales with a $1.8 trillion healthcare industry. This allows people like us to generate unlimited income in one of the biggest industries in the world, keeping people alive. Marketing a service that most people have not experienced, yet it's one of the top 5 growth trends of this year. Let me share details on the service. Using a mobile device with a camera and a screen, our member can be connected to a licensed physician through a private connection, and within minutes, they will be assessed. If necessary, the doctor can prescribe medication and recommend follow-up visits. This is accomplished with an easy-to-use portal and an internet connection. We are on the cusp of this service exploding. Our current enrollment numbers have been doubling every 2 weeks. I'm sure you understand there is no better place to be positioned than at the beginning of an emerging trend that is on a rapid growth trajectory. I'm going to close with this. My ability to be on top of million-dollar sales networks was because of timing. Even if you're currently not in a position to do another thing, it just makes sense to get in at the top. Enter your first name and email below to be taken immediately to a full presentation. See you on the inside.